Welcome to my channel Code with Kashif, and in today's video we are going to see some basic Bootstrap buttons. So I have already linked the Bootstrap files here in my index.html. If you want to link your file online, then you can go to the Bootstrap website, Bootstrap 4, and from here in this website you can add these links in your head portion. So this will apply all styling that you will perform in your body tag. But I already have downloaded the Bootstrap files, so I'm going to do this offline. So let me show you some basic buttons of Bootstrap. So first of all, we have a button tag, and let me write primary. Let me save this and run this file. As you can see, our button has been created. So now it's time to apply a Bootstrap class on this button. So to do this, we will use a class name. Class is equal to button primary. This is a built-in Bootstrap class. You don't have to style this, you just have to write the class name and the styling will automatically be applied to this button. So when I will refresh it, and you can see that the button has been styled automatically. So let me adjust the button to the center. I will create a div, and then I will close the div here. Let me adjust its margin. Style margin top is equal to, let's say, 40% or 20%, and margin left 4%. Let me save this and run this again. As you can see, our button has been styled and it's looking quite good. Now I'm going to create another button. I'll name this secondary, and I will set its class to button secondary. So as you can see, another button has been created. This is also a Bootstrap button. You don't have to apply any style on this button. You just have to write the class name. So there are many more buttons, like let me copy this and paste it here. So now I'm going to just change the class name. So there are button success, button danger, and btn warning. Let me save this and show you. So here are some more buttons. This one is success, danger, and warning button. You can write here success, danger, and warning. And let me copy this again and paste it here. And I also have some info, btn info, and this is info button. And also I have light, and I will write here light. I also have the dark button. I will set it class name to btn dark, and I will name it dark. Let me save this and show you. So as you can see, our button has been created. This light button has white background, that's why it's not showing here. So these are some Bootstrap button, but there are also some more Bootstrap button which are called outline buttons. So let me show you the outline buttons. I'll write a BR tag here, and now I will create another button, and I will say primary. But this primary button will be outline primary button. So I will write here btn outline primary. Let me save this and run this again. I think the style has not applied. btn outline primary. What's my mistake? Let me write this. Sorry, I didn't use class here, so I have to put that class name in class attribute. So when I save this and run this again, so as you can see, our primary button has been created. When I hover over it, then it will change its background color. So there are also many more outline buttons. I will copy this and paste it here. Secondary, success, danger, warning, and info, light and dark. So I will copy this info and I will write here info, and I will copy this light, I will paste it here, and I will copy the dark and I will paste it here. So let me rename this. So as you can see, it's very simple to use Bootstrap buttons. So now let me show you. So as you can see, our buttons has been created. This one is primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info. This one is light, its background is white, that's why it's not showing here, and this one is dark. So let me change the background color. Style is equal to background color, let's say sky blue. So as you can see, now this button is showing because it has a white background. Hope that you will like this video, and see you in the next video.